Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. In this video, we are going to write a print list of numbers and list of strings. So here what data is given. So in the data, some values are there, some strings are there. So here food items, idli, pizza, burger, popcorn, donut, chicken are strings and remaining are numbers. So make it as one list and make it as one list. How can you make it? So first of all, create one empty list. The name is numbers. So this is one of the empty list I'm going to create here. So in that empty list I'm going to write list compression I for I in data. Now apply condition here. If type of data is equal to int, then it is numbers. Now print numbers. Now similarly write for food items. Take another empty list, so that is food equal to empty list. So in that I'm going to write list compression I for I in data. If type of data is equal to string. Now print food. Now run the code. Now observe here we got two lists. So one list contains numbers, another list contains strings. So which are idli, pizza, burger, like that we got. Now this single list converted into two lists having two different data types. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.